Embroidery character designs are very popular. Many embroiderers buy these from third-party suppliers. Naturally, they want to use them in Wilcom's EmbroideryStudio by mapping them to keyboard characters. The Keyboard Design Collection, or KDC feature, provides a convenient way to do this. KDCs can then be used as lettering in your designs. This video looks at techniques for using keyboard design collections in Wilcom's EmbroideryStudio software. In the Design Library, you can map embroidery files to keyboard characters individually or in groups. Select a folder containing the character files you want to map. Clicking the Keyboard Design Collection tool will open the Keyboard Design Collection Docker. To create a keyboard design collection, you need to set a reference height. Use a character with the largest height as your reference. Click the New button in the Keyboard Design Collection Docker. Enter a name, or use the folder name for the collection. Enter a reference height, or select Use Selection to use the selected character. Change character spacing as required. Optionally, enter a recommended height range. Click OK. Batch mapping is the fastest method when characters are saved as separate files. The designs need to be consistently named. Holding down the Shift key, select the files to be mapped, in this case A to Z. Select the uppercase A to Z button to batch map the selected files. Once the Keyboard Design Collection is created, use it to create lettering objects using lettering or monogramming tools. Filter the font list to show Keyboard Design Collections only. Select a Keyboard Design Collection from the font list and enter characters in the text box. In the Design window, you can map selected embroidery objects to a keyboard character, one at a time. Clicking the Keyboard Design Collection tool will open the Keyboard Design Collection Docker. Filter the mapping list by the character set you want to map, for example, uppercase letters. To map a selected design to a character in the newly created Keyboard Design Collection, enter or select the character and click the Map button. Alternatively, double-click the relevant slot. To adjust baseline or spacing for a mapped character, select it and click the Adjust Baseline and Spacing button. This is useful for lowercase characters with descenders. Once the Keyboard Design Collection is created, use it to create lettering objects using lettering or monogramming tools. Filter the font list to show Keyboard Design Collections only. Select a Keyboard Design Collection from the font list and enter characters in the text box. For more information about KDC feature, refer to the latest EmbroideryStudio online help or reference manual.